Hello. Koster Repair Mortar Plus is a fast-setting, high-strength repair mortar with excellent adhesion to both new and old surfaces. Koster Repair Mortar Plus can be modified with the addition of Koster SB bonding emulsion, which improves initial bond, gives a smoother application and increases flexural strength. Koster Repair Mortar Plus is formulated to slightly expand as it dries, whereas most mortars shrink. This makes it ideal for repairing damaged surfaces or repointing of stone, brick or block. Koster Repair Mortar Plus is also used for reprofiling all internal angles prior to waterproofing with other Koster systems. Correct PPE should always be worn. Exact details will vary depending on the construction site and the specific cost requirements. As well as the Koster Repair Mortar Plus, Koster SB bonding emulsion and Koster Polysil TG500 primer, you will also require a supply of fresh clean water, a dual disc stirrer, a mixing bucket, a trowel, and a Koster ring spanner for easy opening of drums. All surfaces should be well cleaned, and with any loose materials, old coatings and plasters removed back to the concrete, brick or block work. Depending on the surface, this could be achieved by grinding, using a needle gun or high-pressure water jetting at a minimum of 300 bar. Any active leaks of running or dripping water must be sealed before application of the Repair Mortar Plus. This could be done with Koster Water Stop, Koster KD system, or by using one of our crack injection resins. All absorbent mineral-based surfaces are primed with Koster Polysil TG500. This unique product is a combination of silicate and polymer. It hardens and stabilizes the surface ready for the application of the repair mortar. Polysil TG500 is applied with a pump-up hand sprayer. Other useful tools are a Koster ring spanner and a Koster brush. Koster Repair Mortar Plus is supplied in a 25 kg bag, and Koster SB bonding emulsion comes in a 5 kg drum. Measure 800 ml of the SB bonding emulsion and combine with 3 litres of clean water. Transfer 3/4 of the liquid into your main mixing bucket. Cut open the bag of Koster Repair Mortar Plus and gradually stir into the liquid using the disc stirrer. This is ideally a 2-person operation. When the powder is mixed in, turn off the drill stirrer and use a hand trowel to scrape down any material stuck to the sides of the drum. At the point where the powder is fully combined with the liquid, you can start timing your mix. The mixing time is 3 minutes at a fast enough speed to create a vortex in the material. During the final mix, you can add as much of the remaining liquid as you need to get to the desired consistency. The Koster Repair Mortar Plus should now be smooth and creamy with no lumps. Koster Repair Mortar Plus has a pot life of 10 to 15 minutes and once mixed should be used quickly. All gaps or missing mortar joints should be filled flush with Koster Repair Mortar Plus. Prior to waterproofing with Koster systems such as NB1 Grey or Deutxen 2C, all internal angles must be profiled with a curved fillet made with Koster Repair Mortar Plus. The repair mortar is cast into the angle using a trowel, then rounded using a curved tool. A 45-degree bend section of drainage pipe is ideal for this. The leg length of the fillet should be 4 centimeters. The usage rate for Koster Repair Mortar Plus is 1.8 kilograms of the powder for every litre of space that's going to be filled. For making the curved fillet, you'll need about 2.5 kilograms for every metre. Koster Repair Mortar Plus will achieve a final compressive strength of more than 35 newtons per square millimetre, which is the same as C35 grade concrete. Fresh applications of Koster Repair Mortar Plus should not be exposed to frost or rain. They can be overcoated with breathable Koster sealing slurries after just 2 hours. But if overcoating with non-breathable products, then the Repair Mortar Plus should be left to dry for a minimum of 24 hours. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any questions. Koster Aquatechnic. Waterproofing for professionals.